Kipper the Dog, Cuddly Critters, 2002 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are The Nest, Jake's Bird, Echo Echo, The Goldfish, The Mouse, Hide and Seek, and Hedgehog Watch. FBI warning. Original warning. Hit Entertainment.
Get ready to wiggle.
That's the part of Daisy's childhood. Dancing with Wags the Dog.
Turn your head and groove along. Shake your hands and move your knees. We're dancing with Wags the Dog. Put your hands up in the air. Point them down once you've got them there. Skip along like Wags would do. We're dancing with Wags the Dog. Now we're singing it too. Home video from Lyric Studios.
Yes, we can!
Sounds like a celebration is under construction. Come on, everybody! We've got to get a move on! And it looks like Bob the Builder is putting together one humdinger of a party. Surprise, surprise! You'd better grab your dancing shoes because it's time to celebrate with Bob. The newest home video from Bob the Builder and your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Rockin' and rollin'.
Bob and his friends will keep you moving and a grooving all day long. Spud will bring the ice cream.
Oh, be careful, Spud.
And everyone will be dancing up a storm. Plus, there's even exciting rides for the kids.
Yeehaw! Woo!
Come celebrate with Bob and all your favorite machines. And wear your best party clothes because someone might just take your picture. What's the birdie?
Cheese!
It's the one party you won't want to miss. Come celebrate with Bob. Now on home video from Hit Entertainment.
New from Hit Entertainment.
What a great day to visit the zoo.
And there's no telling who all you'll see. So grab your camera.
Now I can take pictures of all the animals.
Invite all your friends. And let's go to the zoo with Barney on VHS from Hit Entertainment.
Check it out.
The adventure begins once you reach the front gate.
Well, then let's get our tickets and go inside.
After that, you'll have a roaring good time with Barney, BJ, and Baby Bob.
I wonder what kind of animals we'll see around here.
Practically every animal from A to Zebra. And you might even learn something new.
What is it?
Well, this is Felix, and he's a porcupine.
Don't miss the tigers, the giraffes, the gorillas,
Wow. Now that is one big monkey.
and of course, the dinosaurs. And an adventure as big as the great outdoors. So get ready, hop to it, and let's go to the zoo with Barney. Now on VHS from Hit Entertainment.
Meet Kipper.
Ouch.
Kipper the dog.
What shall I do today?
Meet Tiger.
I know. Let's go to the park.
He's Kipper's friend.
Hello. It's here, Kipper. It's here.
What's here,
Kipper's new
Tiger?
videos are here.
Oh, Kipper, come and see.
And you must see them.
Wow.
In Tiger Tales, the girls go skating.
Ah.
And camping. And swimming. Then, in pools, parks, and picnics, the pals, well,
Mosquitoes! Mosquitoes!
let's just say they become one with nature.
Tiger, don't run.
They call him Kipper the dog. Look for Kipper. Now on home video from Hit Entertainment.
And Lyric Studios. Kipper the dog.
Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper. Kipper the dog. By the way, that's a toad, not a frog. Now he can do this. Do you think that you could? And he can do that, which is more than any old cat could. Would you like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, like a
And that's written
dog?
by George Hayes and works by Nick Jones.
That's Kipper.